Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the AI spawner. As you can see that there's an AI spawner that's supposed to be spawning in an ACF enemy here, as I set it to the AI class ACF defender enemy. But when I hit play, it's just not spawning. It's currently bugged. And I'll go ahead and show you how to do that, how to fix it. So head over to my Discord to grab the link in order to get the AI framework.rar zip file, and then just download that and extract it. And then you'll get an AI framework folder that we just need to replace in our ACF projects. So most of you may probably have ACF as a plugins in each of your projects separately, just so you don't mess with the source code. But in this case, you can mess with the source code and that's totally fine. But I'm going to go ahead and just right click and show in folder for one of my projects like so. And I'll just expand this in this file. And all we need to do is head over to our plugins folder that we created for Ascent Combat Framework, go into Ascent Combat Framework, and then go to Source. And then this AI framework is what we need to replace. I'm just going to drag this AI framework in here and replace the file with the destination, or replace the files in the same destination so that we have the new and updated one. And now all we need to do is just rebuild our C++ file. So go back to your project folder, and then I will just right click on my UE project, show more options, and then generate Visual Studio project files like so. And I'm going to open up this SLN file to open up Visual Studios. And then I'll just right click on my project and click rebuild. And then after rebuilding successfully complete, I'm just going to launch my project and you'll see that it's starting to build and compiling all the new files. And now when I open my project and hit play, you'll see that my enemy has spawned on that AI spawner that we created. And yeah, that's pretty much how you fix your AI spawners. Until the next update, thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.